Okay, Sakz, listen carefully, okay? Okay, we're gonna go in. I'm gonna pay for 8 bags of ice, okay? Okay. When I tell you to go get the ice, I'm gonna say grab 8, but you're gonna grab 10, okay? How many bags you gonna get? 8. No, 10. 10. Not 8, 10. Okay? How many bags? 10. Okay, let's go. Okay. Hello.
Hello, how you doing?
Yeah,
How
can I get
help you?
8 bags of ice?
8 bags?
Yeah.
Okay, that'll be $40.
Sakz, grab 8 bags, okay? 8 bags. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Have a
Okay,
good
thank
day.
you. Thank you. How many bags you got? 8. Calo 5.
Oh!
Stupid. Calo 5.
This is